So moving forward, let's take a look at the book exercises of this chapter. So here you can see exercise A. So what is exercise C? Here state whether true or false. So the Gita Govinda was authored by Ashwaghosh. So you have to tell whether it is a true statement or a false statement. So participants, I'm going to unmute yourselves. You can unmute yourself and answer the question. Okay. So here we go. So yes, the Gita Govinda was authored by Ashwaghosa. Yes, Amanori. Is that true or false? So this statement is false because the Gita Govinda was authored by Ashwaghosa. Okay. So Ashwaghosa is the right answer. So here I am going to do it for you, and you also write it down in your books. Okay, you can write it in your books.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this is a false statement. So we can write here F. Next is
Second is true.
Hindustani classical music was influenced by Persian music tradition. Yes, yes, it is true.
It's true.
Next is Kathak combines.
Also true, sir.
You don't have to talk. I will ask who will talk. Okay, who will be giving the answer. I will tell you.
Okay, sir.
Kathak combines Nritta and Nritya. So Ria, do you know the answer? Ria, Ashna, anyone? Yes,
Sir. Sir, true.
yes, it's true.
Sir, true.
Okay. Next is the earliest Bengali literature were composed by Buddhist saints. So Prabnur, do you know the answer? Prabnur? Yes, Aman.
Sir,
No, sir, false.
sir,
No,
false.
it's also true. Okay, this is true. Last is Vijayanagar, Karnataka music developed under the Vijayanagar rulers. Is it true or false?
False.
False.
Oh, it's true. Okay, this is also true. So only first was false, others are true. So now next, let's have a look at the next one. The Chera Kings patronized Dash. Anyone knows the answer? Yes, is there anyone who know the answer? Chera Kings patronized Dash. So write down Sanskrit literature. Okay, it will be Sanskrit literature. Okay, everyone.
Okay, sir.
Literature is the right answer.
Okay, sir.
Next is the Babarnama was written in dash. In which language the Babarnama was written? Anyone know it? Yes, Ashna, Prabnur, Madhav, Aman. So it was Chagathai. Okay, so this was the language in which the Babarnama was written. You can also say Persian. Okay, it's a dialect of Persian language. So next, two dialects of Hindi which originated during medieval India are हिंदी के वो दो डायलेक्ट्स, दो सब लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ हिंदी कौन सी डेवलप हुई मेडिवल पीरियड में? इज देयर एनीवन हु नो द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन? ओके, आई एम राइटिंग इट फॉर यू. फर्स्ट वाज ब्रजभाषा and the second dialect was Awadhi. So Awadhi and Brajbhasha. So this is the answer, Awadhi and Brajbhasha. Next is Dash wrote the Tamil version of Ramayana. रामायण का तमिल वर्जन किसने लिखा है? So it was, anyone know? Yes, Rakshit Verma. Do you know the answer? Rakshit Verma, do you know the answer? So it was Kamban or Kamban or Kamban. Okay, write it down. So it will be KM.
Okay.
Okay, our last fill in the blanks. Bharatnatyam flourished as a well accepted dance form during the reign of the dash. सो भारतनाट्यम जो डांस फॉर्म है वो किसके राज्य में, किसके टाइम पीरियड में, किस किंग के टाइम पीरियड में या किस डायनेस्टी के टाइम पीरियड में जो है वो फ्लरिश हुई, डेवलप हुई? डू यू नो रक्षित? रक्षित, अमन, आशना, एनीवन हु नो द आंसर कैन स्पीक आउट. ओके, सो आई एम राइटिंग इट वाज चोलास.
Sir,
ओके, दे वर चोलास.